Welcome back to the channel. Today we are putting two of the most popular vibe coding platforms head to head, Replit versus Lovable. I built the exact same scientific calculator using both these platforms and the results will surprise you. Stay tuned till the end of the video to find out which of these platforms are best for your use case.
So let's start with Replit first. Replit gives you a full browser-based IDE. No local setup required. You can whip up quick scripts or build full-stack apps in minutes. It has some key strengths, such as using Ghostwriter AI. It helps to suggest, debug, and optimize code in real time. Live collaboration lets teammates code together like a Google Doc. However, there are a few limitations, such as Replit's browser IDE can feel limiting if you are used to advanced local workflows, and some pro features like private repos and advanced deployment requires a paid plan. Looking at Lovable, Lovable is all about no code, low code. Describe your app in plain English and AI generates a working web application. It even hooks into Figma for design conversion. So it has some key strengths such as speed. You can go from idea to mockup in seconds. Then there is automatic refactoring that explains every change it makes. It is super easy for non-developers like designers and product managers. However, it comes with its own set of limitations. So the export options are pretty basic. There is no backend code download. So it's not ideal for complete production development. Alright, here's exactly what I did. I took this simple prompt from Perplexity about building an MVP calculator, nothing fancy, and fed it to both Replit and Lovable. Same prompt, same requirements, but completely different outcomes. Let me show you what happened. First up, Replit. I pasted in my prompt and hit generate, and immediately things go sideways. Look at this, it's taking forever. My system literally became unresponsive. Not once, not twice, but multiple times. I'm sitting here waiting like this. Finally, after what feels like an eternity, here's what we get. Okay, I'll give it credit. The functionality is impressive. Trigonometric functions, inverse functions, mean, standard deviation, variance, it's loaded with features. But here's where things get weird. Watch this. As I type numbers, they're appearing in the left panel too. That's definitely a bug. Check this out. I can't even enter negative numbers, let alone calculate their square roots. The basic stuff doesn't work. Now, let's try Lovable with the exact same prompt. Immediately, I notice the UI is much cleaner. Sure, there are fewer functions compared to Replit's feature-packed interface. But here's the key difference. Everything actually works. Watch, I can calculate the square root of negative numbers without any issues. The interface is responsive, lean, and bug-free. So basis my experience, let me suggest a killer combo. First, ideate in Lovable to nail down your UI and user flow with reliable, error-free prototypes. Next, export the design assets and then finalize in Replit for full functionality coding and development while being prepared to handle some extra debugging.
So, to conclude, Replit gives you full control and an end-to-end application with both front-end and back-end. However, it can suffer from major bugs when pushed to its limit. On the other hand, Lovable provides quick and speedy prototype, ideal for product managers. However, it doesn't give you a complete backend code. So both of these platforms have their own pros and cons. If this video helped you choose the best software for your next use case, be it Replit or Lovable or a hybrid of both, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.